Well, here we are, day 2. Our little chickies are doing just fine inside of our incubator. We're going to check our big 3. The top, we're at 99.6. Okay, that's good enough. Yep. And we've got water in the back and water here. Yep. And it's pointing, lo and behold, it's pointing right at 1 again. But I just heard it turn, so I know it's turning. So we're doing just fine. All right, so since everybody's doing just fine in our little incubator, let's check out some of the things on our countdown. Day 2, embryo development. Things are starting to change inside. You can't see much from the picture, but it's starting to change just a little bit. Remember, this all started out from our little 1-cell embryo, and that split into 2, and then those 2 split into 4, and then those 4 split into 8, and it just keeps growing and keeps growing and keeps growing. And so today, you can actually start to see some of those differences inside the yolk. We're starting to get the beginning of blood vessels, the formation of veins and a heart. And the heart starts to beat. Today, on day 2, heart starts to beat. Our words of the day are fertilize, hen, and rooster. Different kinds of breeds of chickens. There's chickens with lots of different colors. Chickens that are white and fluffy. Chickens with stripes and multicolors. There's running chickens. And mini chickens. These are called bantams. Chickens are strictly grown for meat. Others are really good egg layers and are grown for that. Some are good for both. These are called dual purpose. Some birds are just grown for fun because they're cute. All of these breeds have hens and roosters, the moms and the dads, the males and the females. A young rooster is called a cockerel. A young hen is called a pullet. Some farms grow chickens just to get the eggs that they lay. You don't even have to have a boy chicken or rooster on these farms. Our eggs come from our friends out at Alibaba Farms here in Concord, North Carolina. They have roosters and hens that free range at the farm, and they are allowed to come in contact with each other. So these eggs are fertilized. That's one of our words of the day. If you buy eggs from a grocery store, they're not fertilized. They check those before they go to the grocery store. In a good season, many chickens can lay up to an egg a day. And chickens just have eggs, you don't even have to have a rooster. Hens will lay eggs all the time regularly, as long as they have all the things that they need. We had this door at our office. Looks like a great place for a word wall. Do you remember yesterday's words? Candler, candling, and air cell. Now let's add today's words. Fertilize, hen, and rooster. Excellent. That's it for today. See you tomorrow.